We return to a story that we broke just a very short while ago, which was a direct threat that is being issued on the part of Khalistani groups to the Prime Minister now on the eve of Republic Day, with another Khalistani outfit coming forward and saying that they will prevent the Prime Minister from unfurling the Tiranga or the national flag on Republic Day. So the brazening it out now after the revelations that have come in the aftermath of that initial security breach that was witnessed on the 5th of January near Firozpur in Punjab. Let me go across now to Pradeep Datta for more on this. Pradeep, what can you tell us about the latest threat that is being issued by Khalistani outfits, of course with the complicity of the ISI, to the Prime Minister's security?
Yes, exactly a week after the Prime Minister's cavalcade came to a grinding halt at Firozpur Moga Road flyover. And once again, the Six for Justice, a banned terror outfit supported by Inter-Service Intelligence, has provoked and threatened to prevent Prime Minister Narendra Modi from unfurling tricolour at Red Fort. They want to repeat what exactly happened last year, and they call this project Block PM Modi, Block Tiranga, and already 1 million budget has been announced in this regard. So whosoever will be doing so will be given a reward of about 1 million. That's what actually has been announced by Six for Justice organization. See, you look at the design and the of this organization. They are trying to target pillars of democracy. They are trying to target symbols of democracy. We have seen that last year they targeted symbol of democracy by targeting Red Fort and insulting tricolour at that point of time. And a few days back we saw there was a blast inside Ludhiana High Court premises. And that time also they tried to target the judiciary, one of the pillars of democracy. And then the Prime Minister, while he was on his way, his cavalcade was stopped, and finally the Prime Minister had to call off that visit and he had to come back to Delhi. And that time also they tried to target the executive head of the country. And now again we have seen they are trying to target, they have threatened.